Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a sloth unicorn, also known as a slothicorn. So let's get started. To draw this sloth that wants to be a unicorn, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And this is right in the center. And I'm going to round off the sides and bring it towards the center to connect. And I'm just going to come in here and shade it in black so you can see a little bit better. I'm leaving a little oval highlight at the top. And just shade it all in right here, black. So then now that we have the nose in, let's come to the side. And I'm going to give myself some room and say about right here. I'm just going to start and draw a circle for the eyes. So right across. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So just like this side, just go right across. So about right here. Same thing. And we're just going to draw a circle. And so then let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles, an angle for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, same thing over here. So thank you for encouraging me to create these animals that want to be unicorns. I recently did the lion corn, and so now this is the slothicorn that you guys also helped me name. You wanted to call it a slothicorn, right? Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come underneath this nose and we're going to give this sloth here a cute little smile. So right underneath the nose, say about right here, nice wide smile. I'm just going to draw a slight curve that goes up for a little grin and then cap it off. And then right underneath right here, I'm just going to add a curve right under the mouth. And then from there, I'm going to start to draw the face. So I'm going to draw the inside of the face first. So let's come, let's see right here. I'm going to come where the eyes are, right in the center, and I'm just going to come out. So say about right here, the center of the eye. About the same amount of space on the other side. So then from there, I'm going to start to draw a curve that comes all the way down. And we're going to start to draw the face. So same thing here, just a curve, and it's going to go all the way down. So come on down here and connect. There. And then I'm going to come to the top right here. So say about right here in the center, I'm just going to go up, not too much, just say about right here. And I'm going to start to draw. This is going to be going up and around the eyes and coming back to meet that point. So same thing over here. Go up. And I'm just going to drag this point across so I know about how high to go. So I'm always dragging these points as you, if you follow me, you see I'm always dragging points. It's because I'm drawing pretty big and it just helps for me to figure out the other side. So this is a little bit sharp. Okay, so then from there, let's come in here so we can figure out what's going on. We're going to draw the mask, the eye patch around the eye. So I'm going to start, say, right here. And we're just going to draw a curve around the eye. And it's going to come right between and then curve out. So same thing over here. So I'm just going to drag this point across to approximate The other side is going to go around the eye, come between the nose, and then come right back down. There. And then now we can draw the outside. Oh wait, actually, I forgot. Let's draw the horn. So I'm going to come up straight in the center, say about right here. Not too much. And I'm going to come in this area, and using that point as my center, draw a curve. And I'm going to go straight up, say about this much. Round off my tip and come right back down. And I'm just going to add some curves in here and an angle to give my horn some dimension. And then now we can go ahead and finish the rest of the face. The head. So say about right here, I'm just going to skip a little point, a little space and I'm going to come right here and start to go around. So it's going to be really close. And then it's just going to taper right back in. And so in this area, the reason I skipped was because I'm going to draw a tuft of fur for our awesome Slothicorn here. And it's going to go, imagine this going up. Just fun little tuft of hair. And I'm just going to add some strands, maybe one more. And bring it right back in. And then I need to come back out. So using that point, it's going to come out. And once again, really close, just like the other side. And taper it in. There. Just going to bring in this point a little bit. Okay, so there, fine. Oh no, actually I forgot one more. Above the eye, I'm just going to draw a curve. Okay, I promise that's it now. And a little, cap it off. Okay, so then now finally the body. Let's center the body. So say about right here and here. And I'm just going to start to draw a curve. Nice wide curve that comes out. And I'm going to continue this curve out for the arms. So same thing on the other side. And before I continue more, I'm going to come back in here. So say about right here and here, kind of where the armpits would be. And we're going to draw another curve. So to start our arms. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and bring this down more. Nice and long arms. So just bring this down more. Say about right there. I'm going to curve it out and then bring it in. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So same thing over here. And about right there. Curve it out. And just go ahead and connect this just like the other side, just to make sure about the same. And connect. There. And then now we can come into this area and we're going to draw some nails. So since I have a Sharpie, I'm just going to go ahead and shade it in black. And same thing here. Just 3 of them. And for the legs. So let's come in this area right here, not too high up, just say about right here. And I'm going to draw the legs coming down. And I'm also aware of my center. So just make sure you don't pass your center. So say about right there. I'm just going to stop, come in. And go back in here. So with the curve, so about right here. And connect. This is this little shape right here. So it's kind of continuing. And so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across once again. So about the same area and come down. So once again, just make sure you don't pass your center. And same thing. Right there. And bring it right back in. And same thing like the arms, just come in here and add 3 little points for the nails. And then right in the center right here, we're going to add a curve. Okay, and then if you like, you can add some wings, just like I did for my lion corn. That'd be really cute to add some wings. So in this area right here, let's pop out a cute little, simple little wing right there, just 3. And if you like, you can come in here for some details. And same thing over here. So about right there. Just gonna wing it. Just gonna drag this point across so I know where to go back to. Oh, too low, so about right there. 1, 2, and 3. And once again, the inside, if you like, for some detail. And last but not least, of course, let's add a heart right here. So now it's my Draw So Cute Slothicorn, inspired by you. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you loved how this little sloth unicorn turned out, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.